Tinutulak ako ng wave. Oh my God. So magandang iligo itong oras. Alas 6. Hanggang alas 8 may naliligo pala dito. Yan ang kalsada. Yan ang main road. Yan. Woo! Ang likot ng alon. Yan ang mga hotel. Mga hotel yan.
There's a barrier over here, the wall. There's an opening. So that means if you're too close to the wall, you can go into the open sea and it's dangerous. So he's warning everyone, saying, don't get too close there because there's an opening gap.
That's not the big one.
You have to get closer to get to the... You gotta get closer.
Okay, hold on. Go ahead. Here. Woo! Oh my God, my phone. Baka mahulog. Oh my God. There's another one. Woo! There's coming.
No.
Okay.
Show the ocean to everybody.
And that's why I keep moving. Of course, I'm going to include in my video. Hola, what? This is somebody is over the limit. Oh, over there. Oh yeah, it's not too deep, but you know.
Come on, come here.
Right?
It's shallow. It's shallow.
Woo! Ang dalawang matanda. Buti pa sila, oh. Labing. Oh! Wow! Oh, wow! Dami dito mga labing. Oh. Wow, oh my God! Want to join me?
Hello, everyone.
Oh! Aloha!
Aloha.
Are you guys enjoying your vacation?
Po.
Bakit?
Bakit? Because it's so
Bakit you enjoy? Why? In California is mainit.
California's too init.
So go to Philippines.
Everyone likes so maganda. Everyone likes to pee here.
Okay, go pee.
It easy.
No.
Don't pee.
It's okay, it's the water.
No, everyone likes to pee here.
Yeah.
Mamiya's peeing right now.
There's another one. Big one.
No. Mia, come farther so we can.
I cannot see the bridge. Woo! Woo! I'm scared my phone.
It's shallow.
I know.
It's shallow.
I know, but
This one is more scary.
I'm scared my phone.
Pushing. No, your phone
I'm
is...
gonna video all around. Guys, ito yung Waikiki Beach. Ito yung... Oh, what place is this, sir?
This is Oahu.
Is that... Yeah, but the...
This is Honolulu.
Yeah, no, it's Honolulu, but island of Oahu. But we are at the front view of the...
Okay, we are at the beach.
No, yeah.
Yeah, we're at the beach.
Yes, sir. Oh, no one's allowed in there. What? Is that not?
No.
Should it's enough?
No.
Oh!
Do not go to the opening.
Oh. So your mom cannot go swimming.
No, she can swim.
Yeah, I know, but who's gonna watch the stuff? Sorry, sir. We're here.
Just be aware that you do
Yeah.
not go to the opening.
So just the line. Only just surfer. Yeah, what's your own child? Go the whip. Hi guys, our last day here in Hawaii for today is already 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So, dami pa rin tao. Pag ganitong oras, dito pala, yan ang mga tao dumarami. Magaling sa work. Can you jump? I sent it to you this video. Don't get closer.